All right, so what I want to do now, I wanted to show you how to add primary keys to your table. So let me go here to a table, any table here. Okay, I have a detail. No, not this one, the staging area. All right, so if you go here and look at the key, doesn't have any key. So the way to add a primary key to your table, you just right click your table here, you click design, you go into this little pointy triangle here, you're going to right click and set primary key. You can see a little key there. You're going to close this and say yes, and you're going to refresh, right? Now, if you go and look at the keys, you can say the primary key. All right. Now we're going to go and look. The retail store, we're here. They're going to look how we add the foreign keys. So here, for the keys in my fact tables, because that's where they go, I already see that I have the customer key and the date key. So let's go and see how can you add a foreign key. With my database selected, I'm going to open a new query. I already have this here. I'm going to copy, paste it here. This is my older one. So I want to alter that fact table, right? So I already did customer day. Now I have to do the location. Let me see the name. So it's location key. So we want to add a constraint, a foreign key in the fact table, the fact cells. The name of the constraint is location key. That's the name of the constraint. Okay, so here I'm going to just copy this. Make sure, double check that it's the correct way that you gave the primary key. So the foreign key name is location key, and here's location key. And references. So which dim table is location key coming from dim location? So you have a reference as dim location, the name of the key is location key. So I'm going to highlight this and execute, and that is done. So if I refresh, I go to the tables, I go to fact cells and the keys. You can see that I have add location. So now I had to do just one more dim store. Just gonna copy this. And here I'm gonna change is not location anymore, is a store. The store key dim is coming from dim store and store key. Okay, so now I'm gonna alter the effect cells again. I'm gonna add one more key to it. I'm gonna highlight this, execute, and it says store key roughly invalid. Okay, I did fact table. I had to go back to the store and look at the name of the key. Dim store is the primary key. Is store key is the primary key. Is store key lowercase fact cells foreign key store key dim store, yes, and store key. Okay, so let's see the columns. Maybe I didn't edit. Oh, I didn't add the store key. Duh. Okay, I'm going to go to my fact tables and design. I didn't add the store key, so I'm going to add it here. Store key int no. Okay, so close. Yes. Refresh. Now, if I go to the columns, I can see that I have store key. Okay, I'm going to highlight this again and execute. And now I added one more key. All right. So that's it. So now you created all the tables. I'm going to put this in a notepad. Oy. I'm going to put this in a notepad. So I have here the customer location key, store key, and what else? That's how many? Customer key. So customer key, location key, and the store key. Oh, we're missing one. We're missing the date, I think. Isn't it that we're missing the date key? I don't, yeah. So here is date key, and this is the date and date key. So I'm going to save this, save as auto tables. All right. So what is this? Units 2. Okay. All right. So that we're done. We're done with the staging area and the alter tables.